Hi everybody, so this is the PowerPoint for the work samples due on March 11th. So for math, math is going to actually be 4 pages. It's going to be Unit 12, Lesson 2. It's completed on 2/22, February 22nd, 2022. Please put all information on all 4 pages if you can, and page numbers as well. For Literature and Comprehension, I have Unit 14, Lesson 6. Again, February 22nd, 2022. I really try to put everything on the same day, so it's just one easy collection for you. For History, I have Unit 11, Lesson 3, February 22nd, 2022. And I know this is a cut and paste, so you could either just have the student color and that's it, and label both pages, or you put on construction paper or another piece of paper and have them do that. It's Unit 10, Lesson 2, again, February 22nd, 2022. I know I'm probably going to get questions of why is it so soon, because it's during quarter 3, and that's just the timing of it. We will have samples due in April as well. Those, I believe, are going to be borderline quarter 4, and so that's why if you ever wonder why I pick certain dates, it has to coincide with the dates I've got to turn things in. So, yes, these are due March 11th. You can wait until March 11th, or you can turn them in as soon as 2/22 after your child or student completes it. So there. Thank you so much.